As soon as she heard the striking sound of the clock, she remembered about the advice. She bowed to the prince and ran quickly as she could. As soon as she reached home, everything with the fairy godmother, and she announced her wish. What was that? Can you say? Yes, she would like to go to the party tomorrow or the next day also. Suddenly, who reached there? Yes, her stepsisters knocked at the door. Let's see what happened next. You stayed such a long time, she cried, gaping, rubbing her eyes, and stretching herself as if she had been sleeping. If you had been at the ball, said one of her sisters, you would not have been tired with it. The finest princess was there, the most beautiful that mortal eyes have ever seen. Cinderella seemed very indifferent to what they said. Indeed, she asked them the name of the princess, but they told her they did not know. Cinderella, smiling, and replied, she must then be very beautiful indeed. How happy you have been. Could not I say her? Ah, dear sister, do lend me your yellow dress which you wear every day. She opened the door for them and said that she they had stayed in the ball for a long time. Then she pretended as if she was sleeping. Which are the words those tell about she was sleeping? Can you pick out? Yes, it is gapping, rubbing her eyes, etc. Okay, very good. Here we can see the sisters started to explain about the ball. Those lines please underline in your textbook. They said, if you had been at the ball, you would not have been tired with it. The finest princess was there, the most beautiful that mortal eyes have ever seen. But Cinderella seemed very indifferent. You know why? Because she knew that whatever they said, it is about herself. Okay. And she asked or inquired more about the princess. She explained her wishes to see the princess. Cinderella asked for the yellow dress to the sisters. But what they did, they all laughed at her. The entire family or the whole family members burst into a laugh. Let's see what happens next. The next day, the two sisters were at the ball, and so was Cinderella, dressed even more magnificently than before. The prince was always by her side and never ceased to give his compliments. The next day, the two stepsisters went for the ball, and Cinderella too. Cinderella was so careful than the previous day. The prince was by her side and was enjoyed with her beauty. Cinderella was dancing and he was going on handed over the compliments and kind words to her. Suddenly, the clock strikes out 12. So, in hurriedly, she jumped out of the stage and left one of her glass shoes there. She was so hurried to reach home. We know that because the magic power may get over by 12. Okay, let's see the last stanza of this part 3. As she reached the coach, she heard the last ding dong. Suddenly, the coach became a pumpkin. The horse turned into mice, and the footman into green lizard. Her clothes became the old rags again, but the one shoe on her foot was unchanged. She reached home before her sisters arrived, so they did not know about her going to the ball. The prince was much worried with her absence. He felt very sad, but he was unknown to the magic spell. Cinderella came out as early as possible from the stage, but it was too late. The clock struck out 12. It was the last bell. Suddenly, what happened? You please imagine what will happen and please write it down. Okay, did you write? Yes. What will happen? Yeah, the coach became a pumpkin, the horse turned into mice, and the footman into whom, yes, greenly said. What about her clothes? Yes, it also changed into the old rags again. But one thing made such an interesting. What is that? Yeah, her shoe. Already she left one shoe in the on the stage, and the remain one on her foot that remained unchanged. Reached home before her sisters arrived. They did not know anything what was happening in the house or what was the board, whether she went or not. Okay, dear children, this is the end of the part 3, the ball. In this part, we have three questions to be answered, the textbook. The questions we will be checking in the coming sessions. Okay, dear children, read the lesson I already told you. Read the lessons thoroughly at least 3 times in front of your parents and get signature also. The next one, the search, we will do in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.